Hey everyone, this is MANVI SINGH. I am a law student of IME Law College and I am a legal intern in LEXIS and Company. So the topic is a brief analysis of acid attack on a woman in India. An acid attack involves the premeditate throwing a acid on a victim, usually on her face. It is a gender-based heinous crime against women. In addition to causing physiologically trauma, acid attack result in severe pain, permanent disfigurement, and subsequent infections, other blindness in both or in one or both eye. So, according to National Commission of India, an acid attack is any act of throwing acid or using acid in any form of the victim with the intention of or with the knowledge that such person is likely to cause to the other person permitted or partial damage or deformity or disfiguration to any part of the body of such person. Acid attack on women is increasing day by day, basically on the girl in the age of 11 to 30 year. The most common type of acid utilized in these assaults including sulfuric, nitric, hydrochloric acid. Several community awareness programs are being conducted by local authorities and administrative departments to make people aware of this heinous crime. The paper wants to highlight the cause and impact of the acid attack and no innocent woman and the problem or hindrances suffered by the victims. Now the introduction. Women are an important part of our society. Every woman has her own choice and her own job or duty in the modern society in which men are unfortunately still the stronger gender. We can't forget that the woman life is a lot more complicated than a man's life. A woman has to take care of her own personal life, and if she is a mother, she has to take care of also of her child lives too. Worse still, if she is married, additional stress can be on her shoulder, yet they will still perform very well in the work environmental, in some cases better than their male counterpart. So, violence against women is a manifestation of historical unequal power relations between men and women. Now, which has led to dominance over the discrimination against women by men and not to prevent of the full of advantage. Definition and meaning of acid attack. As per the provision of the pretensions, gender-based violence is included worldwide, cutting the cross of the age, material status, religious caste, color, and thus poses human right. Now the objective of the study, the main objective of this paper is the main objectives are three, which are first one is to understand the meaning of acid attack and law enforcement. Second one is to examine the issues, challenges faced by the victims of the acid attack. Third one is to highlight the policy taken by the government to overcome the challenges. Now the definition is as per the provisions prevention of the offences by acid attack, National Commission of Women draft bill constitute the definition of acid attack and acid. According to section 3 said act, acid shall mean and include any substances which has the character of acid or corrosive or burning nature, that is capable of causing bodily injuries leading to scars or disfigurement or temporary or permanent disability. Acid attack mean any act of throwing acid or using acid in any form on the victim with the intended or with the knowledge that such person is likely to cause the other person permanent or partial damages or deformity or disfiguration to any part of the body of such person. Acid attack on women and partially on Indian legal responses 2011 by Nahaluddin Ahmed, author. In the article highlighted evil practice of acid attack, the author wants to highlight the physical as well as physiological consequences of such attack. The author also covers the insufficiency the law to cover justice of the victim. Now the domestic violence. Violence with the home is one of the leading cause that has attributed to the throwing of acid by the family members or vulnerable and brown-beaten women. In this male-dominating society, denial by women or anything of her vocal nature has been taken as defiance or rebelliousness by the husband of his husband or his family member, and his result in terminating traumatic incidents. So guys, this was all about this topic. Thank you so much listening me. Like, comment and share.